Have you ever wanted to create a metallic text effect in Photoshop? In this video, I'll show you step by step how to achieve that stunning metallic look. Let's begin by creating a new document. You can copy my settings or use the recommended ones, then click Create. Remove the padlock icon by clicking on it and double-click on the background layer. Enable the gradient overlay option and replace the white color with a dark gray. Click OK. In the Gradient Style menu, choose Radial and increase the scale value to 150. Eventually, make sure to tick the dither and reverse boxes. Now, let's create the text layer using the Cloister Blacks font. You can download it from the link in the description. Type in your desired text, keeping in mind that you won't be able to change it later. Double-click on the text layer and enable the Bevel and Emboss option. You can just copy my settings, as I usually use them for this kind of effect. Next, enable the Gradient Overlay option. Set a light gray on the left side, an even lighter one in the center, and a darker one on the right side. And ensure the angle is set to 90 deg with a scale value of 100. Check again those three boxes and click OK. Then, duplicate the text layer and make the first one invisible by clicking on the eye icon. Right-click on the duplicated lasher and choose Rasterize Layer Style. Now, open the Layer Style menu and add an outer glow layer. Again, I suggest you to copy my settings, and when you're done, press OK. Now, let's add some color to the text. Create a gradient layer with black on the left side and white on the right. Add your desired color in this position and a slightly lighter shade here. Move it slightly to the left and set white at the right limit. Click OK. Then, click between the gradient layer and the text layer while pressing Alt or Command to make the gradient visible only inside the text. Eventually, choose a screen in the blending options and adjust the opacity to your liking. Open the Layer Style menu of the text layer again and replace the outer glow color with the one used for the gradient. Finally, feel free to tweak the settings for a more realistic effect. And that's it. You've successfully created a stunning metallic text effect in Photoshop. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more Photoshop tutorials. Stay tuned for our next videos.